except it didn't tell us anything. It showed us there are no outliers, but it doesn't tell us why. Would you guys do a favor to me? I want to add a column here. I'm going to call it something to get you used to this symbol. P of x. What do you think P stands for? It's exactly what it stands for, probability. What do you think x stands for? Exactly, the numbers that are referred to in this column. So I'm trying to point this x back to this. And I'm also going to put the word empirical right here. And the reason I'm going to put that word is, David, you got me thinking about it now, because you're talking about theory. And this isn't theory yet, this is just experimental evidence. I want to tie the theory into it soon. But right now, what I want us to do is I want us to get the empirical probabilities based on our results. So in other words, 43 times our class rolled 1. What's 43 out of 260? What is that to about a 1/10 of a percent? What do you get? What? 0.165. Thank you, Rich. Hey, you know what? Let me show you guys a shortcut. Let me show you guys a shortcut. Your TI can actually do all this at once like a spreadsheet. If you want to, you can totally do it the way Rachel just did, which I love, by the way. Thank you. But you can also use your TIs to do this, which is kind of slick. If you go to your stat editor, with me so far? Put your blinker on top of L3. With me so far?
Yep.
Now type this. Second 2 divide by 260. What this will do when you press enter is it will divide every number in L2 by 260. There they are. 16.5%. It's acting like an Excel spreadsheet now. Relative references. So we got 14.6 here. We got 16.2 here. We got 14.6 here. We got 17.7 here. And we got 20.4 here. Of course we could have gotten that by simply dividing each one by 260. Live with that too. But it's just a quicker way to get the results. Comment on those percentages. Please comment on those percentages.
You should add up to 100.
Oh! They should add up to 100, Caitlin? Yes, they should. Should they not add up to 100? Give me a reason as to why they should. Thank you, Caitlin, for that. Give me a reason as to why they should add up to 100, please. Nice. I love that mathematics, Linda. This adds up to 260. Since this divided by 260 plus this divided by 260 plus this divided by 260 has to equal 100. This is just another way of talking about that representation. Yes, good. I was thinking of a less mathy explanation. If it was kind of like the Dave explanation, if you roll a die, one of these 6 things has to happen, and only one of those 6 things is going to happen. Therefore, 100% of the time, one of those 6 things is going to happen. That's a non-mathy way of explaining it, but I love your mathy way too. Put them together. Have them both. Fair? Take 5. It's 11:02. You're getting that glazed look. I want to come back and uber analyze this in a minute. Uber analyze in a minute. Yes. What is it telling us? It's telling us something. What?
So, since I had that whole project about what